So we're just packing up here and thought a good opportunity for you to have a look at our anti-flap kits that we've had installed, or we installed, from Grasshopper Outdoors. So I know a lot of hybrid campers, you know, think, oh gee, wish I had something. So this is what we've got. So very simple install, just one bracket that rivets into your existing awning holding. And then the other end of it slides onto the awning, outside of the awning itself.
They come in two pieces. And we just slide them together. Then we hook this little end in. Undo this, see that? And this slides into there. Do that up. These little clips, see, round at the top.
So one of the other advantages of the Grasshopper Antiflap Kit is it comes with a sail rail track built in, so you can put up sidewalls on your camper as well. We've been here and blowing over 60 kilometres an hour and haven't had to take it down. So there you go. So Grasshopper Outdoors. Check them out if you're looking for an anti-flap kit. Can recommend them.